In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can capture steady or stabilized video on Hot 60 Pro. Let's get started. First, open up the camera. We have this icon over there on the video tab. If you choose Ultra Steady is on there. This is how you can choose the steady video. You can see that it is not shaking or doing anything. What this is using is, it is using EIS instead of OIS, because you can tell that by when I try to switch, you can see it just crop the video just like that. That's how it is making steady. You need to sacrifice the video pixels here when you try to steady. Also, steady mode only work with 1080 30 fps. If you try to switch to 60, it will just not work. You can see that it will switch again to 1080 30 fps. If you wanted to make stable, make sure that you switch to 30 fps on 1080p. Also 2K won't work at all. It's that simple to use steady mode, but you will sacrifice some pixels here. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.